I'm ready to do it. Thinking about the times you did something for nothing and got some. That's not what I'm on, but stay making money come. I'm using my inside voice on the outdoors. This ain't nothing but another enjoyment. Man, I don't care. Thinking about the money. I'm colder than a bitch. Got to watch what I say no more. Is she dead or she breathing? It's still about that. I don't give a fuck. Everything leak. At the end of the day, I'm still king. I talk with sense. Bitch, we ain't on the same side. She dead as fish. I got me some fish frying in grease. It's 2022, I'm up to date, no grease. I'm still watching clips so everybody hates Chris. Cartoons, I don't think about bringing a speaker in. Nighttime, but the light on. I'm just thinking about purchasing a microphone. I don't be paying for shit. Now I'm trying to have the money if I can't get it. Now I'm trying to have money that's endless spending. I'm sleepy. It gets like that sometimes. I know forever I can go and on without stopping all the way to the end to this complete like a paper given to you in class to finish. No class out of that on street every day, all day. It could be that way, depending on what you're doing. No dropout. Setting up a stand, selling, front of table, permission needed, pass heard, but it's because it's illegal to do it without that. If you get caught shit, fuck it, I'm on this shit. I can't wait to receive money from whatever I'm going to receive it from. I always been about that money talk on earth. I always been about that real talk. Shit. Don't know what to call it. You don't know what it is. I can explain the shit. Right now I'm off that shit. I can go the whole day. I couldn't upload that because it couldn't fit on YouTube. It could fit somewhere else, maybe. Depending on how much it could hold. Whatever you call it. Like the SD card. The memory it can hold. For like the slot you put it in. But I ain't on that. And I never fall back. I know exactly where I'm going. I know exactly where I'm at. And I never fail. Time to be doing time inside jail. Skip that like I didn't go. Matter of fact, I didn't go. I'd be lucky if I don't go. On probation. What's the point of hiding shit when you try to be set up and they all miss? I'm still here. Anyway, that probation talk still come up. No ankle monitor, but I still walk that. And I'm about that drama, but I hold that. I give it, I hold that. I give it, I hold that. I don't give a fuck, I can cock back. And I be on, ready to go on to the next thing I'm on. So what's about? I don't know, but what I'm about. I'm in the mix. On a bike doing tricks. Nah, I don't do that shit. Riding a skateboard next on my list. Hobbies. Now, I am only focusing on a vehicle. Shit bloody back in the day. Shit scattered everywhere. Find a place. Now, I am still who I am, so shit won't change. Just a different game. Where everybody know everything. So shit is more complicated to get. Now I hard wire shit. I'm off was talking wire shit. I'm stuck on a car, I like driving. Now I like just to go far. Now I just like easy shit. Like fucking a bitch. Now I'm on some different shit. I'm on the same shit. I'm just going to get ready and stop this because don't know how many numbers I can put up. I complete this like I'm eating lunch. I watch out for you like a setup. I start this like a setup.